What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today we're going to be working on the FRS. We're actually going to be doing a differential brace that I got from Megan Racing. But first, what I want to do is I want to show you in the last video. If you guys haven't checked it out, go check it out. And I installed a lip that I got from Amazon, and honestly, the fitment is pretty dead on. It fits real nice, and as you can see, definitely adds a lot of character to it. So let's get into today's vlog. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you want to jack up the car, but I just want to show you why I went with the Megan Racing. And honestly, it looks pretty nice. It's supposed to help with acceleration and also help with the diff not moving so much. So this is what it looks like. It comes with the hardener bushings and everything, the new silverware or hardware, silverware, and then it comes with the instructions. So let's get the car up in the air and let's start taking this apart. Alright, so now we got the car up in the air. What we're gonna do, we're gonna come down by the differential and let's hang this. Well, you see these two bolts and this bolt. We're gonna take that out. I want to say they're 17 millimeters. Yeah. All right. So we're gonna take these out, and then I got the diff supported right now, so it doesn't move and messes anything up. So let's get this going. Okay, so now you can see we got the bolts out and everything, and what we're gonna do next is basically put this brace right up here. Let me put the camera down. Basically, and then we're gonna line up the holes from the diff. And you just want to hand tighten them, just to make sure they're going in correctly so you don't cross thread them or strip them out. Alright, so as you can see, all the bolts are lined up. So you see this hole and this hole. Megan Racing supplied us with some new bolts and some washers and some nuts. So basically, you're just gonna stick this through the existing hole that was there, and then you're gonna put the lock nut on it. It kind of sucks because you're gonna have to go up there in that little hole right there, right here, and basically kind of, you can't see it maybe. Okay, so you see that? So we're gonna have to try to wiggle that in with the nut. So Alright, so just a little pro tip if you guys are actually gonna do this and don't want to fight it like I am. I would suggest taking the lower control arm, just this bolt, just so you can have enough play to wiggle this down, and then basically get your hands in here. Luckily, I fit a wrench in there, so I was good there. I don't know if you can see that, but on this side, I did have to take the lower control arm down, just basically so I could fit my hand in there, and it would be 1,000 times easier instead of just kind of play with this all night long. So let me get this bolt in, and then I'll get back with you. You see, this is what I was talking about, the bolt on the driver's side. You really can't see it, but what I did was I took the lower control arm off, and it got it in, so it's all set up. Looks pretty good. Megan Racing, on the sheet, it said that the torque specs are at 100 or 90 to 100. As you can see, when it focuses, right, there we go. Alright, it looks pretty nice. I like it. It's blue, so it kind of matches the color of the car. And honestly, I think I paid, it was maybe like $100 shipped from Amazon. It came from Megan, so here's the part right here. And if you guys are actually wanting this, I will put it down in the description, but here is the part number. So that's the end of this video. Hopefully you guys liked it, and I can't wait to see how it does on the track. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.